What's up, boys? John Funded back in our back testing video. We haven't made one in a little bit. We made some progress over the last 2 days. We haven't been recording. So, yeah, we're back up a little bit. Made a little bit of progress after we lost literally everything. Yeah, it's been a slow start. We just entered February yesterday. So, yeah, let's jump right into this. What's it called? We got like 60 days left, minus the weekends, maybe like 48 trading days or something like that. Let's see. We got 8:30 news. It's a Thursday. Charts are looking good. So yeah. Summer's been off to a start. Just been working, going to the gym. Hell yeah. Alright, whatchamacallit? Basically almost equal those. Potential SMT. 4-hour highs, nothing. 1-hour highs, nothing. Actually, we do have a 1-hour high. So, overall price seems to be bullish, but it looks like ES or NASDAQ kind of sold off. See if price wants to reject outside this gap and continue lower. Potential bearish SMT. NASDAQ being the leading. So let's see if price wants to continue lower. Okay. ES is selling off. NASDAQ is in 5-minute bearish order flow. Alright, if we can get a little pullback here in NASDAQ. It's not really the pullback I was looking for. There's the pullback I was looking for. ES looks like it is selling off. Alright, let's see what price wants to do here. We're in strong bullish order flow. Higher time frames bullish. Inverse that 1-minute gap. If we can break to the upside, beautiful. I'm going to take this long here. I'm going to break it down a little bit for you guys. We're going to move stops higher up to this 1-minute high. Alright, so we're in obviously bullish structure. Bullish, push through this gap. Inverse this gap to the upside. I'm not too worried because ES did take these draws I want to be targeting, but price is bullish. It wants to continue higher, obviously. Hourly inverse this gap on both indexes. We just rejected outside this 1-hour gap. We seem pretty bullish in that 30-minute gap. I don't know. Actually, do we take this? Do we take this? Bullish. Well, I'm taking this. If we lose this, it's because these draws already been taken. Actually, we didn't really... No, I'm not taking this. Ah! Shit! Should have just taken it. Pick me. Because I didn't want to take it. It's because I thought we were going to reject outside this 1-minute gap, but... We really rejected outside this 5... That was the trade. Should have just taken it. Ah! It's whatever. Rather be safe than sorry. Whatever, dude. See? That's what happens when you get too much in your head. That's what happens when you get too much in your head. This gotta be some type of news, dude. Yeah, 8:30. Hourly high, 30-minute high. Okay, what is this? Damn, boys. Should have just taken that shit. The thing I was worried about was because ES already took those draws. And ES was kind of more bearish. I don't know. I'm not really liking this PA. It's kind of choppy. Kind of not really. If we can sell off then take out this high. All right, that's lovely. Okay, we're just pumping. What do we have to the upside to target? 4 hour high, all the way up here, hourly high. All right, so what we have in store is this 4 hour high. This is a strong draw on liquidity, but for ES, it's kind of far. I think for both indexes, it's really far. Not that far for NASDAQ. It's really early. I'm not trying to take this trade right now. Okay. If we can, both indexes seem to be printing bullish. If we can break back to the upside here. Okay, there's the break. I'm not really liking anything right now. I'm going to see price pump a little more bullish if we're going to be bullish. Okay, there's a deep retreat. Wow. What is this? Wow. What the hell? Yo! This is definitely no trading day, boys. Hey, we do got this hourly low potentially targeting, but that was a really big move. See what price does. Yeah, no trades. Actually, let's see. Yeah, that was a move. Whatever the hell that was. All right, we got a fresh week here. It is February, should be 10th. Yep. Trump speaks. Let's see if we're looking to be volatile today. It's usually in the days Trump speaks. Markets ain't doing too well. Same with FOMC. Those days are kind of blow. FOMC days are terrible. Like, I've never experienced a good FOMC day. Alright, I don't think we're going to be pushing down. I think price is just going to print bullish today. What do we have in store to the upside? We're currently filling this 4 hour gap. So we don't really have a draw to the upside that we're confident in targeting. This is the fill of this hourly gap. Let's see what price wants to give us today. Alright, we got opposite indexes. Usually what happens, we wait for the higher time frame to align, or the short time frame, sorry. And the higher time frame is bullish, so I don't want to be taking shorts today. That's what I don't want to do. See, indexes are opposite. This is printing bullish. The draws of the upside are really ass. I don't know if price wants to continue higher or lower, but the higher time frame is bullish. Alright. Just broke back to the upside after retracing. I'm gonna wait for ES to like show some bullish signs. Alright, we're pumping. Do we go long here to fill this hourly gap? Let's see what this R is. It's definitely so ass. Yeah, I'm not taking this. The trade idea was probably, I don't even know. It's because ES was fucking bearish. I didn't like that at all. So, yeah, I don't think we're trading again today. Yeah, no trades. So I had the correct idea to fill the 4 hour gap. It's just ES was bearish. Nasdaq was bullish. I think right there, you just go off the higher time frame, because the higher time frame was obviously green. What ended up happening? Price continued higher, filled the forward gap, which I wanted, but price wasn't that clean. It was kind of indexes. By the time ES converted to bullish order flow on the 5-minute, it was like kind of not really an entry. So we just gotta be patient, make our way back up to our profitability, because we're already up. We're already up back like what, 2,800. All right, Tuesday we have 10 a.m. news. Trump speaks, but what is Trump even talking about? Fucking no. Price is selling off. What do we have to the downside? Kind of nothing. Guess new day open gap, but that's really far. Could be selling off towards that later in the week, but currently I'm still recording. Yeah. Woo! Anyways, due to this forward gap, we could potentially be filling. But like, I don't really like using that as a draw on liquidity. We are bearish, very bearish. Let's see what happens for today. Wow, we're pumping bullish here. All right, immediate take. If we can retrace and continue higher. There's the break. Break back to the upside. All right, what is the RR to this 30-minute high? Why are these RRs so ass? 0.8. First TP 0.8, second TP London high, Asia highs. Price is printing very bullish, 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 bullish. I want to take. I'm taking this. I low-key don't like how we didn't close that strong. Yeah. I forgot there's 10 a.m. news, bro. I'm an idiot. Alright. I'm going long here again. Just retraced. Yeah. We should continue higher now. We just retraced. Inverted this 1-minute gap. I want to take this. Bang. Jeez, why so much shit? Completely. Why is this there? Completely forgot about. Got about London. Oh yeah. 10 a.m. news. Very impactful. Got cooked. Went back in after retrace, and price was very bullish. Very bullish. ETF. Price so clear. Interest continuing. Higher. After we broke, then inverse gap. I targeted Asia. Bam, bing, bing, bop, bada bop, boom, bow. All right, so January off to. It's I. It's E. We are up 200 on the month. 250, whatever. Damn, what is going on? What do you mean? It is Wednesday. We have oh, that's what it was. CPI. Dude, chairman, bro, stop testifying, dog. Powell, we don't hear your bullshit anymore. So probably high key, no trading day once again. Basically equal lows. This already looks like ass, I'm gonna be honest, guys. We are not looking eager to trade, boys. We are not looking eager to trade. Alright, let's see what happens here. Definitely low key do not want to be targeting equilibrium, but okay. Looks like we just pump towards it anyways. What the fuck blowing on my phone, man? Alright, we're just pumping bullish. We have, here we go. Boom! Alright, that's not bad. That'll be worse. Alright, let's see what price wants to do here. Do we respect these 5-minute gaps? No. We pump very bearish. What can we target to the downside? Could be, I don't even know. 30-minute low. Alright, let's see what price wants to give us. $15-minute gap, not a strong draw. I want price to continue lower. Okay. Alright, price is obviously printing bullish. If we're going to continue higher, I want price to fill this hourly gap. So I don't really see an entry anywhere. Alright, well, that's a wrap, boys. Not too bad. 1 win, 1 loss. Our win outweighed our loss. That's good. Look at these stats. Damn. Alright. We out, boys. It's summer. Making the bread. Still making the videos. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see y'all later. Peace.